Traveling can be a wonderful opportunity to discover new places and expand your worldview. In today's ever-connected world, it's easy to stay connected even when traveling. But this constant connectivity can also make you more vulnerable to cybersecurity risks. Whether you're traveling for work or pleasure, let's review some precautions you can take to ensure your trip remains cyber-safe. Tip number 1: browse with caution. Free public Wi-Fi networks, such as those in hotel lobbies and cafes, are often unsecure. While most websites these days encrypt information sent between the client and their web service, it's still good practice to avoid accessing key personal accounts such as email or banking, or entering sensitive information while using public Wi-Fi. Should you need to visit such websites, using a VPN or virtual private network can help. VPNs encrypt your data, making it unreadable for anyone else. You can browse more securely by opting for mobile data connections rather than public Wi-Fi. This is generally more secure, as is using your phone as a personal hotspot for your other devices. Our next tip: secure your devices. This includes keeping your devices physically secure by keeping them with you at all times. Without security protection, if your devices are lost or stolen, any personal data you have on them is at risk of being compromised. If your device has a Find My Device or remote wiping feature, be sure to turn it on before you embark on your trip. That way, if your device does fall into the wrong hands, you may be able to locate it or remove any personal data stored on it. The memories you make while traveling can last a lifetime. Just be sure those memories don't include having your information end up on the dark web. But by following these simple steps, you can significantly enhance your security, ensuring your trips are truly memorable for the right reasons.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.